How to zest a lemon.
Thanks, Emma. Now we're gonna go learn how to zest a lemon.
Step 1. Wash the lemon in running water or soak the lemon in a bowl of water and then rinse. Grip the lemon in your palm from end to end so that the pointer end touches your little finger and the other end touches your thumb. Step 3. Prop a microplane grater against a clean cutting board, angling it at 45 degrees. Twist your wrist while scraping the fruit against the grater in a long stroke from one end of the lemon board to the other. Don't press too hard or you'll scrape the pit.
Now we're going to see what the staff does with lemon zest.
I like putting lemon zest in desserts and icings and different cakes and cookies.
Is this on?
Yeah.
All right, let me tell you what I use lemon zest with. I use lemon zest to add the nice tangy taste to my lemon bar recipe. Nothing beats real lemon zest.
I don't know what to do with lemon zest, but I have a question for you. Why does the chicken cross the street? To buy eggs because the farmers keep taking it from him.
Step 4. Rotate the lemon. Repeat the zesting motion one strip at a time until the whole fruit, or as much needed, is scraped. Clean the yellow part. Step 5. If you don't have a microplane, you can use a lemon zester.
Thanks for watching our lemon zest video. We hope you learned something new. Bye!